What makes me happy at Hoover is seeing all of my kids come through the door and how excited they are to be here every day.
What makes me happy is being so welcomed and supported by all the staff here and my amazing mentor teacher.
What makes me happy to come to Hoover is just knowing that I can come here to create with students and they'll always amaze me with their great ideas and they never give up.
What makes me happy at Hoover is all my friends and teachers. What makes me happy at Hoover is how interactive the teachers are and happy.
What makes me happy at school is Mrs. Blizzard. What makes me happy at school is everyone being kind to each other.
What makes me happy at Hoover is drop off in the morning, seeing all the kiddos come to school and waving to their parents.
What makes me happy about working at Hoover is the best staff and this one right here. Aw, thank you. What makes me happy about working at Hoover are the beautiful smiling faces that we get to see with the kids coming in every day and making our day bright. And this one too.
I am happy to be at Hoover because I have a lovely teacher, good friends, and such a nice president.
Why are you happy to be at Hoover?
I'm happy to be at Hoover because I have a kind teacher and I have great friends. Because there's tons of people to be friends with.
I like Hoover because everyone at Hoover is nice and kind.
I love being at Hoover. We have the best staff, students, and parents. Hoover is amazing because we all work together.
I like Hoover because it's a good school and they teach us good things. I like Hoover because the teachers are nice and it's a free school. What I love being at Hoover is because about my friends and my teacher. My favorite thing about Hoover School is my friends and my classmates and my classroom.
What makes me happy to be at Hoover is the students because they're very nice to me and they include me and they're never mean.
Noah, what makes you happy to be at school?
Mr. Shop,
Why?
because he's nice and he helps me a lot on my work and he's very funny.
What I love about Hoover is that we have amazing staff and students and everybody's so supportive.
What I love about Hoover is that it feels like a little community and that everybody here knows each other and that they could be themselves.
Lo que me hace muy feliz de trabajar en Hoover es la diversidad y todos los estudiantes y maestros que trabajan aquí. Me gusta ver a todos los estudiantes de varios países como Juan, Carla, Esvin, Jonathan, Kaylee, y trabajar con todos ellos y ver sus sonrisas alegres todos los días.
All the teachers at Hoover are very nice and are always trying to teach us new things. Most of the specials and subjects are really fun and challenging for pretty much anybody.
And I especially love our library. It is a very big and wide selection, as well as all the staff and specifically special teachers. They really are helpful and just amazing staff as well.
The reason I like to be over at Hoover is because I have close contact with the staff and children, and my job makes a difference.
I agree. Our job does make a difference, and I enjoy working here because everybody cares.
What makes me happy at the Hoover Math and Science Academy is seeing the absolute joy and enthusiasm on kids' faces when they learn something.
So what makes me happy at Hoover are my incredible third graders and my amazing third grade team. And what makes me happy at Hoover is just the amount of teamwork I see across the school and the collaboration that we experience every day.
I love Hoover because I think that it's one of the most welcoming and supportive places that I've ever gotten the opportunity to work at.
The best part of Hoover is coming in every day knowing that you're going to get a smile from a student, a hug, a high five, and not only that, I know that my coworkers are here to support me and make the best choices for all of our Hoover community. It makes me want to come back every single day. Thank you.